Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. My name is Michaela Lene. If you are a returning subscriber, hey, thank you so much for clicking on this video. And if you are new, welcome to my channel. I'll focus on curls, beauty, and lifestyle. And in today's video, I am doing a co-wash / styling product review because I recently washed my hair like sometime last week, and my hair really isn't like, in dire need of a shampoo and a whole full wash. They just need, just a cleansing co-wash. So the cleansing co-wash of my choice, I use the Pantene Pro V Truly Natural Hair 3-in-1 Formula Co-Wash Cleansing Conditioner. It instantly moisturizes without stripping natural hair. And I really forgot I had this product. I just so happened reached in my bin and just saw it. So just a little bit, excuse me, about this product. It experiences Pantene's Extraordinary Pro V formula. It's a nutrient-rich, low-lather wraps every strand, nourishes for effortless detangling, lasting softness, and manageability. The Truly Natural Hair Oil-Enriched 3-in-1 Co-Wash Formula instantly cleanses, conditions, and detangles it in one easy step without stripping hair's natural moisture. Now, I didn't hop in the shower when I instantly used this product. I sat right here at my desk and just part my hair into two sections. And of course, I took my good old misty spray bottle here and just sprayed both sides of my hair to just make sure that my hair was good and wet before I applied the product on both sides of my hair. And I can honestly say this product has a really good smell. I have my hair smelling really good. So yeah, and it had really good and amazing slip. So I am doing basically a continuation of my CurlBox products that I received last month. I'm very excited to receive the new products for this month. I'm not going to say anything, even though I already know what they are, but I will do a whole video on me unboxing it, and then I will do another video on me styling the products. But anyway, let's get back into this video. So this video, of course, is going to be a continuation, like I said, of me trying out the new products that I received. So these will be the products that I will be trying out. The first one is the new Creme of Nature Pure Honey Hair Food Smoothing and Frizz Control Curl Defining Creme for dry, rough, frizz prone hair. It's no sulfates, no petrolatum, no mineral oil, no silicones, no drying alcohol. It's pure honey, coconut oil, shea butter, plus avocado. I'm very excited. And what it says on the back, the Creme of Nature Pure Honey Hair Food Smoothing and Frizz Control Curl Defining Creme is formulated with our signature blend of pure honey, natural coconut oil, and shea butter, infused with natural avocado oil. This smoothing and moisturizing curling cream leaves curls defined and frizz-free for up to 72 hours. It provides nourishing moisture, hydrates, and delivers defined frizzy curls for up to 72 hours. Improves smoothness and shine, gives long-lasting hold. And then I'm gonna also follow up with the new Creme of Nature Pure Honey Hair Food Strengthening Curl Creator Pudding for over-processed and damaged hair. Again, this one has no sulfate, no petroleum, no mineral oil, no silicones, no drying alcohol. This is made of pure honey, coconut oil, shea butter, and banana. Just got a notification on my phone. Sorry, you guys. And does it say the same thing? But oh, it's a little different. It's a little different. The Creme of Nature Pure Honey Hair Food Strengthening Curl Creator Pudding is formulated with our signature blend of pure honey, natural coconut oil, and shea butter infused with banana extract. This moisturizing pudding delivers strong, soft, and beautifully defined curls. It provides nourishing moisture, improves hair strength, and helps protect against breakage. delivers softness and ultimate curl definition, provides long-lasting hold. So, let's get into it. Show y'all what the hair is looking like, and this is just from the co-wash. My hair feels really good and soft. So this is what the hair is looking like, and this is just again from the co-wash. So now I'm going to take one side, like I like to do, and show y'all how I style it. Y'all know how I like to do. Now, I have this side right here. And I have no leave-in conditioner. This is just straight from the co-wash. So again, I like to damp it a little more. Just like to dampen it. And a little moisture. I'm going to go in with this first. I don't like to waste no product. Just a good amount of product, and oh, it smells so good. Okay, good amount of product, like so, like that. I'm just gonna put it all over my hair. And then I'm gonna take a little more, like so, like that, and just apply it onto my hair. Just like Tabitha say, because it's my business and I can. Now I'm going to go in with the Curl Creator pudding. I can get it open. Take a really good amount. So like that. What I like to do is rake this product. Like so, like this. You know, do that. And then I like to go back in and just scrunch it. This is what I like to do. Just like that. Just a little bit more and then scrunch it at my end, because the ends are the oldest parts of your hair. Method. Alrighty, so I'm showing y'all what my hair is looking like with it just being one side in so far. So this is what the hair is looking like with just one side of it. And I will come back in when I have both sides of it, and then I will also come back when they dry. So peace. Okay, we are back, and both sides of the hair has a product in it. So I'm gonna let it air dry, and then I will check back in with y'all when it is completely dry. Alrighty, and so I am now back with my results, and this is my day 2 hair. And I can honestly say these two products together, the best combo there is. Like, and these are both like thick, creamy products. Even though this is a pudding and this is just a defining cream, I can honestly say mixing these two together are very, very wonderful. I'm not gonna lie, I'm really not a big fan. Now I'm gonna be honest about all the products I use. The co-wash, it did what I needed to do, but I'm not a really, really big fan of it. It made my hair feel really, really dry. Maybe if I would have just applied maybe a leave-in conditioner, my hair wouldn't have been as dry. Then okay. But yeah, the co-wash I really wasn't a big fan of, but it did get the job done. This product was what I used first. I really did love both of these products. Like, I give these both a, let me do it separately. I used this product first. I'm not gonna lie, I think I did have to use like a pretty good amount of it, just to make sure my hair felt really, really good. I give this product a, for some reason I keep getting like an 8 out of 10. I give this product an 8 out of 10, not a 10 out of 10, because both of these products really get an 8 out of 10. Don't get me wrong, that's really, really good. It's still high, but like when I was applying it, it's just still like I had to keep applying more and more of the product on my hair, and I feel like I shouldn't have to do that. It gets a high rating because, for one, like, you get 11.5 fluid ounces for both of the products, so that's a good thing. The smell, really, really cute. The packaging and the product itself is good, but I feel like I shouldn't have to keep applying more and more product for, you know, my hair to come out the way it did. But it did, so, you know, it is what it is. But I do suggest, now I don't know what these products do alone. I did combine these two together and I got the best combo ever. So this brings the end of me testing out those products. Thank you so much for continuing to watch my videos. If you would like for me to do more product reviews, please comment down below, continue, and also as you're commenting, comment some products you would like for me to try out. Continue to subscribe to my channel, continue to comment, like, and subscribe. And again, thank you so much for watching my videos. Bye.